Hi there, Robin here, and in this video we're going to be talking about a DI box. This is a PDC21. PDC21 gets used most commonly for connecting up your guitar or bass guitar to a mixer or amplifier. If you're going to want to be able to hook up to a mixing board, or you're going to want to hook up to an audio interface and you're using your guitar and you do not have a high Z connection on your current mixing board or DI box, this is what you're going to need. Very popular piece of hardware. It has 3 plugs on it, one XLR at one end, 2 1/4" on the other end, a switch on this side which allows me to adjust the dB setting, and a ground lift option on the other side. How do we hook this up? Well, first we're going to need 2 cables. We're going to need, in this case, a guitar cable and an XLR cable. And to finish the connection, we're going to need a mixer in this case. So here we are. This mixer here has 2 mic inputs on it, 2 line inputs. Channel number 2 has a built-in high Z. It says guitar on it. That is this box here. When I engage this button, I'm doing exactly what this box is doing for me right here. Allows me to use the 1/4", but it adjusts all the actual settings, which are mostly the ohms and some of the actual voltage settings, to line up properly so my guitar gets into here just the way it should be. Now remember, there's lots of little electronics going on in here, and it's not about the details, but the end product. The end product is going to be perfectly matching out the output with the input, so this way it works properly on a mixer. All we need to do now is connect it. So on one side you have an input. We plug into the input on this side here. This is where our guitar is going to be coming into. On the output side, we're going to be connecting an XLR cable. Then the XLR cable will then plug directly into the mixer. Now you may make some adjustments on your mixer board gain and on your levels. That's normal. On this end here, if you start using your guitar and the impedance, the level sounds way off, you could be doing some little adjustments on the actual dB setting, but start at 0 because that's unity. And if you find you get any static when you touch your actual guitar strings, you may need to engage or disengage the ground. That's it, all done. There's one little extra bonus because I said there were 2 1/4" plugs on this side. If I was using this in a front of house situation or on an actual audio interface, I don't need to listen to the audio interface if I want to play. If I have a guitar amplifier on a stage, I can simply plug that into the actual output and then plug that directly into any of my guitar amplifiers. And the whole job is then done. So when you're buying the unit, the PDC21 comes as is, just this brick in a box, the box right here. You are going to need a couple of things with that, so take inventory. You're going to need a guitar cable and you're going to need your XLR cable. And then you're completely ready to hook everything up. So hopefully this video helped you out. You understand a little bit more about a DI box and how to and when to use it. Very handy product to have around, even if you just have it in your bag of cables and accessories, so when the occasion ever arises, you can just pull it out and connect it to any mixing board or audio interface when you need it. Hopefully this video helped out. Maybe we'll see you on the next one. I'd like to say thanks for watching and bye for now.